Hey, sorry, I forgot to turn on my microphone. Anyway, look at the 1 minute time frame, right? Want to see how the market is do it first. Can do. You see, it's for the London section high. It take the buy sell liquidity, and that huge move, about $3 move for the London section right there. And go back to here. I want to show you in the this week, right? So this week we have the GDP data release at 8:30, so that's high impact news right there. So we active monitor, see how the market gonna react to that. And again, today is Monday, August 28, 2023. It's the first trading day of this week, and this week is the final trading week of August. So that's what we are at right now. All right, go back to the chart. This is the 1 minute chart, right? We can see the difference is that the London high was taken out, which is the buy sell was taken, and here's our new week opening gap right here, right? So it stay above that can give us some idea that it may remain bullish, right? And also I saw in the pre-market today the volume is very low. It's like 500,000 share, right? That means it's just Monday, just started. So we try to look at that 1 hour time frame. Let me turn up the label for now, the purple. So it's very bullish right there. You remember last week we identified this is head and shoulder pattern, and it did come back to retest that right there. You see this huge follow up right here. If we test that and then it go up, and look at the huge move right here in the London 4 hour right there, and it's you see that it take the sell side liquidity. So we believe it's gonna reach this level 44390. So in the smart money technique, we saw a diversion at A45. You see at A45 right here, the SPY make a higher low, but the QQ make a lower low right there. At 9, right? Yeah. Yep. Let's check this screenshot. Yeah, we didn't recognize that, but if you can recognize earlier, we can go in and go long right away at the open. Open right here, we can go long right here, or let's wait for its retest. We can go long or retest also. But here we have order block, right? Oh, you have a bullet breaker. Like it kept going up, it's bullet breaker, favorite gap. Let's see if we test this bullet breaker. So I think we can see our sets up right here, right? Order block, failure gap, and retest right there. So it may go and retest this new week opening gap right here. So basically right now we have two setup, right? The bullish breaker or retest, that's a long setup, and order block, failure gap, and the retest. Let's see, we want to see the retest play down. We're kind of in the no man land right now. It kind of not sure what to do, because if you look at the 4-hour time frame, here the 4-hour time frame, okay, you see the huge right there, right? Order block, failure gap, boom, displacement right there. So you want this short setup is still in play, so this one may retest that order block, so the short setup is still play. And at the same time you also have a long setup, right? Let's say right here you have the order block, and then it keep going up, and this is the retest. You see the retest and the retest on Friday, and now it's gonna go up. So we kind of, you know, in the big range right here, right? Big range right here. We just want to see how this move. If you look, but if you look at this range right here, so this is still not break the market structure, but at least this one make a higher low right here. So However, it's not break this structure yet. Or at least it make this structure. So let's see. So right now it's above 50%. So if you want short, then you can go short. If you want to go long, then make sure it's below 50% to go long. So right here it's just to retest to this bearish order block right there. So we still have a short to go in, even though right now the buy side liquidity were not taken, but it can trick at a failure swing. But if we want it at a shallow swing, then we want it really take out this liquidity, but it's not taken out. So we still don't know. Let's see how it's unfolding right here. We still don't know. We're still not sure what direction it's gonna move. It's very tricky right now. So we are 9:50. It's about 20 minutes, the first 20 trading minutes of Monday, August 28, 2023. Here the trick right here. We're gonna go in when it take out this sell-side liquidity. How about that? It's gonna retest its order block, right? If it break that order block, a lot of sell-side liquidity gonna be taken. I think we should check this trade because keep it simple, right? You know why? Oh man, Yeah, I think we mix this trade. You know why? Because it's perfect trade for us. You have auto block, right? You have fair value gap, and you have retest, and this is a short. What do you have? You need a buy side liquidity, right? Taken. It do. You have were rated, or at least yeah, rated. And then you have a buy side liquidity were trap. Perfect. Entry time is 9:47 right there. Targets, let's say new wick opening gap. Okay, you have buy side liquidity rate right here. It's buy side liquidity rate. Right? Keep rating. And then you have a sell side liquidity with trap. What are you talking about? Exactly. You have a sell side right. And this is the buy side liquidity rate. And the target is right here. But yeah, we want to target here, but the targets, the intermediate target is this sell side liquidity right there. Yeah. For sure we're gonna take this buy side liquidity. This one may be the long-term target, but the intermediate target area, that this is target is the high probability target right there. But let's see how this is gonna. So to check the sell side liquidity from here and also sell side liquidity from here, then we anticipate that move gonna take the buy side liquidity from this guy. But you also see this is a bearish breaker. Let's see if yeah, let's see if break through this resistance or this bearish breaker. Okay, so I think this one is manipulation move. This one need to check the buy side liquidity from this one in order to take the sell side, but it do not. It did not take the buy side, but it took the sell side. So we believe this is a manipulation move for it to trap the buy side liquidity in order to move up. So let's mark this is a manipulation move here, right? And if it go to 50%, we're gonna go in and go long. Yeah, I think it's good to go long here because we identify this is a manipulation move right here. Remember the so-called AMD accumulation, manipulation. I think this is manipulation, and then boom, distribution up. Good, let's go long right here. Let's see, what is our so we see a buy side liquidity was trapped right here, but sell side taken. So it's a good setup to go long. But we want to see how do we go long in here? It's auto block, failure gap, and retest. So we see to go long right here. Okay, come down. We're gonna go long. Go long right here. Come down to 50 right there. Wanna go? It's come down to 50. 50. Come on. Come down. Okay. We're gonna go long. And the setup to go long is what? Auto block, failure gap, retest. And this is a manipulation move. If it's under 50%, we're gonna go long. Right, that is our is our setup right there. So you have auto block, failure gap, retest, long setup. You have a sell side liquidity. We'll rate it, right? And then you have a buy side liquidity for trap, right? And also you have a so-called manipulation, right? Manipulation move right there. 50%. Retracement. Okay, entry time is 10:01. target, I think let's do a target at the high time frame X4 order block, right? Which is a buy side liquidity. Our stop loss gonna be at 930 open, just below 930 open. Let's see. Stop loss just below open. 0930. Let's see how it's play out. Yeah, oh man, beautiful. So our stop loss just right here. Want to see? Ooh, wow, wow. I think we got kicked out. We got stopped out. Ooh. Just below that. I want to see, we want a 5 cent below that, right? Is it 5 cent? The low is 23, 24. So just 1 cent. We're still in the trade, just below 5 cent. So basically we're still in the trade. And let's see how much we reach, right? Let's say we go in here. Let's go a little bit here. Let's say we're empty right here. Then our stop loss is 24 plus 5 cent will be 20. Yeah, 19. It's around 19. Exactly 19. So we only reached, my friend, we only reached 20 cent. I mean, if we able to move to the target right here, we are good to go. We don't have to wait all the way up. We just conservative right here. We have 80 cent already. So 1 to 4 risk reward ratio right there. We don't have, it don't have to move much. Okay. Okay. Let's see how it's play out. Excuse me, I will be right back. All right, I'm back. So we see we're still in the long trade, right? You remember we enter and this here, and we will stop loss 5 cents below. We thought that we got stop out on this candle, but it's just 1 cent below the 930, and we are 5 cents below that. So we still in the trade right there. So we identify this is the manipulation move right here. Exactly, it's manipulation move. Why? Because it did not take the buy side liquidity. It trapped it, but it went down. It take the sell side liquidity of this move. It doesn't make any sense. This is called fake breakout or turtle soup, whatever you call it. It looked like it break down, but it not. But if you look the move just before that, where this price come from, right? It come from here. It doesn't make any sense. So this is a manipulation move right here. So we are feel safe when it go below this manipulation move, 50% retracement. Go to that area, we go in, we go long. We put our target conservatively, it's just this buy side liquidity. However, it can go up more, but I think for sure we will get 80 cents for this move, which is 1 to 4 risk reward ratio right there. We also try to engage a short right here, you remember, and our target is way below, but the high probability target is the buy side liquidity right here. Wow, it retest one more time. Look at that. What's the low of this one? Try to check it out. 23. Okay, 24, 23 is again. Oh man, look at that. A little bit tricky. Equal low. Equal low is the sell side liquidity trap. So we're gonna take that. Basically, it trapped the buy side right here, or it trapped the sell side. Wow. Let's see. Very interesting to see how it play out. So we have about 12 minutes until it reach 10:30. Wow, let me see. 18. Yeah, I think we took out. You see right here, we put at 19, and now it's 18. Yes, so we got take out on this. So I think we got stop out. That may be. See, select hit because we are for 4 to right at 19. That's our stop loss, and that candle is 18. So 1 cent below, it stop it out. Let's see what lesson we learned from this practice trade then. Wow, that the lesson we learned that our stop loss is too tight. We have to give them enough room, at least have to be down here. You see? You know why? Because it set the social liquidity trap to get equal low over here, and then we take that equal low, we just take the social liquidity and boom, go up. Because you know that it trap all the buy sell liquidity right there, so for sure it go get them. Exactly, you see, go get that there, right there. Look, see all of this buy sell liquidity right here. See, go boom, check them right away. You see that? After it check the sell side liquidity right here, you see the equal low right here, and the minute it take that equal low out, the sell side liquidity, you're gonna go wrap the buy side liquidity. Man, look at that. So it just check the buy side liquidity twice. Let's see if this one hold, then it go up, this one will break down, then we are right here. It's retested out of block. I think we go in right here a little bit too early. If we have to let it retest it out of block a little bit deeper, like this one or this one. Let's see it's out of block, how it retest them. So far for the first 15 minutes of trading today, it cut in the range right here. You see, it can not even break out this range yet. I think let's go entry right here again, because long again right here. Right, we long again because I think the send setup auto block Fibonacci retest, and then the 50% retracement for the manipulation again. So you can put right here second entry. $10.90. Beautiful. I think we second entry we nailed it. So we got stop out on the first try. Now let's do second entry. $19, right? Second entry at 10.19. So we see this auto block retest. See that? We have to put our stop loss around this auto block, right? Entry right there. See that? So our stop loss gonna be around here. So this trade is already out. So we have to put our stop loss around here. So we reached about 55 cents right there. We give a bigger stop loss. Okay, let's measure the 50% right here, right? So 64 cents, right? So whenever it hit below 50, we're gonna buy them. And we put the stop loss right here. So the perfect entry for us right here, 40. Wow. So think our analysis right here is quite accurate right here. It's just the stop loss that we need to improve. So now we understand that this is a manipulation move and our stop loss should be right here. And we will try to entry when it's go close to our stop loss and much closer. So our stop loss has to be right here, the swing low. or the close of this order block, right? So our stop loss should be around this, right? This order block right here. That we have to stay in the trade, and we have to accept a bigger volatile in here. We cannot give too tight stop loss right there. It's a 64 cent. I think the perfect is at this swing low. So I think for sure it's gonna go take this buy side liquidity. There's no way that exactly gonna go into. You see that this is a manipulation right there, and we understand that it's gonna retrade into below of that 50%, and that's where all the smart money gonna put their order in there to go long right there. And that exactly that happened right there. So the lesson learned for us is that I think at first we're going right here, right? No, we're going right here. We have to keep our stop loss is wide enough to stay in the trade. We got stop out right here, and then we do a second entry right here, entry again, and we're still in the trade now. And our intermediate target is hit the buy side liquidity right there. All right, so you see that it just take the buy side liquidity right there at 10:30, exactly 10:30. You see that? So if we are good, we can get out of this trade. But if we want to stay in trade, we just move stop loss. Excuse me, to break even, or just trail the stop loss. Let's say we trail at this level. It will stay in the trade to get to a bigger target. But otherwise, if we're happy, then we just get out. We see that? Yeah, the buy side agree we're taken right there. All right, thank you. Time is up now. So I gotta go, but I want to review one thing real quick before we go. That we have a DR model now is it's forming, right? But you don't see much. The range for the DR today is cut very tight right there. You can see that. So you still have you don't have a confirmation yet, so it can go either way. You see neutral right there. All right, that's it for now. Thank you. Bye bye.